Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Data Decoder. So in this particular video, we will be solving a very obvious question asked in many SQL interviews. So we have a table called employees where we have a information of salary with respect to each employee working in different departments. So the interviewer might ask you this question, can you tell me the second highest salary from this table? So the basic approach is to use an order by or limit clause to solve this question. But that's a little tricky one because you will miss out in some of the edge cases. So I'll show you first how this approach works. So I'm just writing select salary from employees. Then I'm using an order by clause based on salary. I'm sorting it based on descending. So if I run it, you can see my salary is sorted to descending. Then I will take the top two salaries because my question is second highest salary, right? So if I run it again, so the first highest salary and the second highest salary. Now if I make to if I have to do it in a reverse fashion, then I have to again order this in the ascending order fashion, right? So in order to do so, I will just put this in one ct, maybe a ct or a simple subquery will also work here. Select star from this table, and I will order it by salary ascending. So if you don't write ascending, it will by default take ascending. So now you see my salary, the second highest salary comes at the top. And then finally you do a limit one, which will give you the top highest salary, something like this. Now there's a problem with this approach. Let's say we have two employees with the same salary, and that is the highest salary. So this approach won't work. So I'll show you how. So I'll run this query again. Okay, I have written this query already. So I'll show you. So now let's suppose this was my data set, right? So instead of this 1,15,000 for Bob, we have 1,20,000 for Alice and Bob, same. Now what this query will do, it will first of all sort my salary in descending order and then pick the first two rows. So these two rows will be picked, and then it will again arrange my salary in ascending order. Ultimately both are same, so only one salary will be picked by limit one, right? So but my question is second highest salary from the salary column. So ideally it should print the next highest salary, not the same. So 120 was the highest salary, right? So this approach will create a problem whenever you have duplicates in your record. So in order to solve this, we will be using another approach, another method where we will be using window functions. So what are window functions? These are somewhat similar to your aggregate function, but like it is operated on a subset of your complete data. So what does it mean? For example, if you have to create a subset of based on department, then this engineering department becomes your first subset, your marketing department becomes your second subset, and based on this subset or window you can apply your aggregate function. Let's say if you want to take a maximum, if you want to do a sum, if you want to do a ranking, then you can do it accordingly, right? But in this particular question we don't require to do it based on department partition. We have to find the second highest salary over the complete table. So there is a function called dense rank. What this will do, it will assign rank based on the chosen column. So I'm just writing over, you don't have to do any partition, so I'm skipping that. Order by salary descending. So what this will do, it will arrange your salary in a descending manner and then assign ranks accordingly. So I will show you. So before that I will just update this record for Bob as well so that it becomes easy for you to understand. So I'm just updating it to 120 where employee ID is 2. So if I run it again, see, now if you like Alice and Bob have same salaries in engineering department, right? So the rank that got assigned to them is 1. Similarly, these Charlie and David, they have a salary of like same salary, so they got second rank. So now it's easy, right? You can simply filter it based on rank equal to 2. So I'm just giving an alias called rn, and I can simply write a subquery select star from the subquery where rn is equal to 2, right? If I run it, then you can see I got the second highest salary. If you want to select the salary column, then you can replace star with salary, right? And this is a very general approach of solving this problem, because if someone asks you not only the second highest salary but the third highest or the fourth highest salary, so you can replace this rn is equal to 3 or 4, right? So now, if the interviewer asks you to find the top two salaries from each department, then you will follow somewhat same approach. So I'll run the base table. So now he wants to see the partition based on the department. Now for the engineering department, you will find the top two salaries. The marketing, again top two. Sales, again top two, right? So in order to do so, you have to add another clause called partition by inside over clause. And by what you have to partition? By department, right? And if I run the inner query, I'll show you how the result will look like. So see, uh, 1 1 2 2, and then again the next rank starts from 1 for marketing. Similarly for sales, again the rank starts from 1, right? So within this window the rank restarts. Within marketing, rank restarts, right? So this is the way how you create windows or partition within the table, right? And if you want to find out the top two salaries, then instead of writing equal to 2, you can write less than equal to 2. So now if I run the query, only those records will come which will comply rank is less than equal to 2. So these are the top two salaries within each department. I hope you understand this video, that why can't we use order by unlimited clause to solve this, and how window functions are the best way for such problems. So if you like this, then please subscribe the channel for more such content. Thank you.